Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Okay, you guys, what my daughter is helping me with, she's cutting up all my vegetables, and that's a big thing because if you cut up a lot of vegetables for your, say, your dressing, your potato salad, and these is all the vegetables that I put in my dressing, also my potato salad. So this is the big help. So you see right here, she finished cutting up the celery. So you see the onion, bell pepper, and celery. I use this also when I make my potato salad and my dressing. Yes. So thanks to my daughter for helping me out. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So that's why you probably see. Cause we're gonna, once you cut up all your pre-cut up all your veggies, it saves a lot of time. I guarantee. So I'm her sushi. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my the next clip on my I'm making my own homemade chicken broth. And also, you guys could freeze this as well, but I'm not gonna use all this. So you saw my daughter cutting these up, just adding because it's already cut up. And while I'm making my homemade chicken broth, because I'm gonna add the chicken broth with my chicken and dressing. So yeah. So each one, I probably add 1 cup of, each, because it's already mixed up. So maybe about 2 cups of this right here, of the onion, bell pepper, and celery. So this is the main ingredient when you make good homemade chicken broth. The only thing they use is kosher salt and cracked black pepper and fresh garlic. Now you can add different season if you like. So you can say if you don't have fresh garlic. Now you can substitute this as garlic powder, onion powder, sage. This is only for the just say you making uh chicken and dressing. You can add a little sage and white pepper. That's options. That's option. So if you don't say you don't have the fresh garlic, stuff like that, the black peppercorn, then you can just substitute this from this. Okay, so I just want to come back to shut. So now I'm just go ahead and wash my chicken, put it in a big pot and just let it go. Okay, so I did wash my chicken off. So I'm gonna cause it's still a little frozen, so I'm just gonna, defrost it like this. Cook it with maybe until it get, the chicken get defrosted. Then I dump that water out, cause it is still kind of frozen. Okay, so I add my water and turn on the fire. And I'm just gonna, like I said, I don't want to defrost this in my microwave. I'd rather to kind of defrost it like this on top of the stove. And I will be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the second clip. And remember I said that my chicken was kind of frozen a little bit. I was gonna just let it come to the boil and boil about 10 minutes. So it have been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna empty this water. See how it look? Yeah, see. And I think it's probably ready. Well, I'm just gonna get, cause it was kind of a little frozen. But you see all that? Yeah, I don't like that. Just gonna blanch it. I'm gonna dump this and come back and put some more clean water. This right here for the chicken broth. Okay, you guys. So now I could put my vegetable and everything in it. My chicken is kind of got most of the. See, they all that gooey stuff. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add fresh water. Okay, so this is all my seasoning, you guys. And you know what? Um, Only reason you don't see carrot in the chicken broth that I'm going to make, because that's only if you want to make chicken noodle. So this is just the broth, okay? So don't get it twisted, you guys. So this is just my homemade chicken broth, okay? And I'll probably go ahead and add these, which is really good flavor, for the broth. Okay, so don't get it twisted, okay? To let you guys know that, because I'm going to say, why I don't see the carrot, really? This is chicken broth, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and put my season, the salt and peppercorn. Okay, let's put this in first, okay? Yeah, let's put that in. Just kind of spread it around. Yeah, let's just put that in first, okay? Okay, you guys. I don't have my camera stand, so that's what this is. And you may want to just only put, maybe it all depends on how much black peppercorn that you like. But I just only gonna do just 1 tablespoon. And the peppercorn is the best season. So now I'm going to add my sea salt. Just sprinkle about a tablespoon of my sea salt. And because I know because I've been a cook for a minute, so I know how much a tablespoon is, okay? As long as I said in my video. Then now, adding my whole garlic, okay? Okay, you guys, so just remember, I'm gonna add 2 cups of my bell pepper onion. Most people don't like to cook with most people don't like to cook with bell pepper, but I do. So this is bell pepper, onion, celery. Then 1 more cup. That's 1 cup. I'm gonna put 2 cups. And that's 2 cups. Boy, this is gonna be some good chicken broth for my dressing, my cornbread dressing. Oh, okay. Okay, give it a little quick stir. See? Turn on my fire. And this should probably cook, you want to probably cook this no longer than 1 hour. Okay? Until the chicken tender. But that's it, you guys. And so when I put all my stuff in, well, I would already have my chicken broth, okay, from scratch. So guys, you know what I did? I'm not gonna stir this up again. I put some fresh black peppercorn, so that way it could be on the chicken when it starts boiling. So that's a little tip. And then once your chicken broth done, you want to taste it to make sure it's seasoned well, okay? But you don't want to just do it now, because you don't want to over salt it. All right. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so now crumble my cornbread up. For my dressing. Just crumbling it up like that. that. Okay, so that's how I crumb it up. Now get some of my chicken broth. See that chicken broth? Guess you guys can see that. And it's already got the bell pepper and onion. But this is how I'm doing it, you guys. Easy way. This is how my mom used to do it. Try to get all the vegetables. Stir this up a little. But this is how you do it, you guys. And I got plenty of the broth. Just kind of stir it up like that. And then you want to put enough. It all depends on how you want your dressing. You may want it like this, but I like mine wet. So I put a more broth, the fresh chicken broth. Okay? Okay, you guys. This is how I like mine. Cause once it's baked, it's gonna, cause I put like some chicken in it. But yeah, see how? That's how I like mine. Now, before you put your eggs in, you guys, cause I put 4 eggs, raw eggs. You want to taste the season to make sure it don't need no more sage, this kind of stuff. Sage, you make sure that you got enough of season in it, okay? So don't put your egg in if you make it my way, okay? So, taste it. I'll probably put about 2 tablespoons of sage. But that broth is, oh my God, you guys follow my broth from chicken broth, you would love it. Oh my goodness. And that's what's gonna make your cornbread is the fresh. Yes, I do. If I'm too sorry, don't want to make my fresh chicken broth, yes, I do use the corn chicken broth. But this time, I'm not lazy. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it again. Okay, so guys, enough season. Now I'm gonna shred me some of my chicken in my dressing, and that's it. Let me do my eggs first. Okay, I got my 4 eggs in. Just kind of beat it up, stir it in. That's how you do that. This dress is gonna be really good, you guys. I guarantee. I should have beat my eggs up first, but I used my whip. Don't matter. Oops. Make no mess. Okay, so I'm gonna shred some of my chicken. I'll just go like that. And I don't put no, see this skin? I don't put no skin in it with the chicken. But that's how I'm doing it, you guys. I'll be right back. And then some of the chicken I'm just gonna say at the end. But see, as long as I put some in the dressing. And this is ready to go in the oven. I guarantee that is my chicken and dressing, you guys. Alrighty. And that's it. That's it. This is the tradition Southern chicken and dressing. This is how you make it, especially from the South. I don't know why people put cream. What did they put in that kitchen? Cream and mushroom and cream celery. That is not. Well, each for each. But I don't mind. We never put no cream of mushroom or cream of celery soup. No, never. All right. So I'm gonna put it in my oven, and that's my chicken and dressing. And again, you guys, I'm gonna have a lot of this. Don't put this in, like I didn't use up all of it. But if I wanted some more on the side, see that big thing, I could just heat some up with my dressing. Yes. Okay. Just want to show you guys. Alrighty. I'll see you guys when it get ready.
Pain, no, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back.